How to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So if you want to remove Yahoo search from Chrome, then first you need to follow the steps. So if you're going and searching something on your browser, Chrome browser, and if it takes you to the Yahoo search, then what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and go with settings. Now once you're under settings, you need to go with on startup, which is here on the left side, and here you will have three options, right? You just need to simply go with the third option, which is open a specific page or set of pages. Go with add a new page, and here you need to enter www.google.com and go with add, which is right here. Once you've added that, now the next thing you need to do is just go with search engine. Under search engine, here you will have change option. You just need to simply go with change, and if you choose Yahoo, make sure to select the Google search engine. Once you've selected Google as your search engine, you need to go with set as default, and after that Google or your browser, like Chrome browser, will be set as your search engine. And here you need to go with the second option, which is manage search engines and site search. If you click on it, make sure that you've selected Google as your default. And after that, you can just go back, reload your page or open a new tab and search for something, and your Yahoo search will be removed. That's how you can remove your Yahoo search from your Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.